but experts are raising concerns about its impact on children's mental health.
Recent studies show that nearly 30% of parents use strict or authoritarian parenting, while it's often linked to discipline and high achievement. But the question is, at what cost?
Saya ini anak tentara. Dulu waktu kecil, pendidikan karena di rumah barak militer. Itu dulu saya ingat kecil saya waktu SD. Kalau saya matematikanya nilainya itu tidak 10, itu sabuknya orang tua saya itu sudah dipasang, saya dipukuli. Jadi matematika itu wajib 10. Itu namanya otoriter.
Research suggests that children raised in a strict environment have a significantly higher risk of anxiety, low self-esteem, and even depression. In fact, some findings show up to 45% higher risk compared to children raised in a more supportive environment.
So, my parents are quite strict when it comes to rules at home. For example, like I'm not allowed to stay outside late night, and then the latest time I can usually be outside is around 6 p.m. So if I go out at night, I have to clearly tell them who I am with. And sometimes when I have a meeting like for the organization at night, my parents even wait for me at the car, and I'm also not allowed to use public transport unless I am with my family or with my friends. When I break a rule, my parents usually just spam chat or call me, and they often tell me to go home immediately. And after that, they give me some advice for not doing that things again.
Saya sekolah 2, ya. Pesantren saya sekolah, umum saya sekolah. Maka 2 ilmu coba saya terapkan. Ada kalanya kita itu menerapkan namanya strict parents. Ada kalanya kita itu menerapkan yang demokrasi, hasil diskusi. Jadi kita tidak bisa melihat namanya strict parents itu secara mutlak. Ada kalanya bisa diterapkan di satu hal yang tertentu, ada kalanya tidak bisa diterapkan di satu hal yang tertentu. Misalnya Mbak Safina ketika kuliah, karena sudah kuliah beda sama SMA. Kalau SMA itu pulangnya jelas, masuknya jelas, ya. Begitu mahasiswi sulit. Orang tua yang tidak pernah kuliah, dia akan bingung. Ini anak jam 5 sudah waktunya pulang kok belum pulang, ya kan? Maka ketika orang tuanya telepon terus-menerus, didengarkan temannya, maka temannya menganalisis bahwa orang tuamu otoritarian, adalah otoriter gitu ya. Kalau tidak salah begitu.
So, what exactly is strict parenting? Strict parenting is a self-focused control, high expectation, and obedience, also limited emotional warmth and open communication.
This raises an important question. Is success truly meaningful if it comes at the cost of a child's mental well-being?
Karena kalau hal-hal seperti terlalu otoriter, ini perasaan saya waktu itu, menjadi anak yang tidak punya keberanian, ya kan, minder. Saya alami itu. Kemudian karena saya bisa bangkit, itu secara perlahan itu adalah anak ini sebenarnya orang tua sedang menerapkan sistem otoritarianisme.
Parenting is not just about achieving results, it's also about how children feel, think, and grow as individuals.
I learned to be more careful, responsible, and aware of my surroundings. And I also learned to appreciate my parents' effort because they always try to protect me and really support me.
A more balanced approach may be the key, combining clear roles with emotional support, understanding, and open communication.
I make 3 phases of parenting. When you have children under 10 years of age, maybe you make a strict parenting. But when your children between 10 and 20, maybe you make it like your friends. But when your children above 20, so you have to see them as a free individuals who makes their own decision.
In contrast, more balanced parenting styles like authoritative parenting are linked to higher confidence, better emotional regulation, and lower anxiety levels. On one hand, it can build discipline and structure, but on the other, it may lead to fear, emotional suppression, and difficulty expressing feelings.
Interestingly, some studies show that children who raised in supportive environment tend to perform better academically compared to those who raised under the strict control.
That doesn't make your children to be successful? Maybe sometimes yes, but you have to know the definition of success. is not one definition, one kind of definition. There are many definitions of success. Sometimes people say that if you achieve your goals, so it's success. But sometimes if you had a good meaning in your life, so that is success. Depend on what kind of success do you think or do you have. So I make that before you define the effect or the success effect of parenting, so you have to define what kind of successful or what kind of success do you mean to your children. As myself, I always say to my children that you have your own goals. So, but I accompany you. I help you to make how to define your success. So not always strict parenting make you success, but sometimes strict parenting it's also make you fails in your life. So what defines success and what defines or fail, we have to make it in maybe in specific indicators or some specific meaning. But as I said before, in the big definition of success is achieving your goals. Strict parenting, maybe you success, but the success is not on your own choice. Maybe it's your parent choices. But not always parent choices is bad. But sometimes parents know what is better for their children.
Because in the end, raising successful children should never mean sacrificing their happiness.